Hello, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Smith, and we will be going over your Grade 5, Chapter 7, Check My Progress, Lessons 1 through 4. So this will be for your quiz. So we're going to be using the order of operations to solve questions 1 through 4. For question 1, we're going to do what's in parentheses first. 3 times 4, that equals 12. Then we bring down the remainder of our problem. 18 subtract 12 is 6. So our answer is 6. Question number 2. We have 10 squared, subtract 2 in parentheses, divided by 2. First we do what's in parentheses, which is 10 to the second power, subtract 2. 10 to the second power is 10 times 10, which equals 100. Subtract 2, divided by 2. So this equals 98 divided by 2. So we have 98 divided by 2. 4 times 2 is 8. That equals 1. Bring down the 8. 2 goes into 18 9 times, which equals 18. And that's 0. So our answer is 49. Question number 3. We have, in parentheses, 10 take away 8, then multiplied by 7. 10 take away 8 equals 2, times 7 equals 14. Question number 4, we have 18 divided by 2 times 8. 18 divided by 2 is in parentheses, so that equals 9 times 8 equals 72. Okay, question number 5. It says divide 15 by 3, then add 5. So we are going to divide 15 by 3, then add 4. You can write it like this because this would follow the order of operations, but if you wanted to, you could also put parentheses here. So it would be up to you how you wanted to write this one, with or without the parentheses. I'm going to use parentheses just because it's a little bit more friendly to the person doing the math problem because it makes it very easy for them to know what to do first. Question number 6. Multiply 12 by 2, then subtract 13. So multiply 12 by 2, then subtract 13. In the order of operations, multiplication comes before subtraction, so you can write this problem just as it is written now, or you can include parentheses if you'd like to. So either way would be okay. Question number 7. Subtract 6 from 24, then divide by 3. So we have 24, subtract 6, then divide by 3. Now in the order of operations, division comes before subtraction. So I definitely want to put the parentheses here because in my directions it says that I first subtract, then divide. So you definitely need the parentheses here in this problem. Question number 8. Multiply 8 by 7, then subtract 26. So we have 8 times 7, subtract 26. Multiplication comes before subtraction in the order of operations, so I can write this problem as is, or if I wanted to, I could put parentheses around 8 times 7. So for number 8, parentheses are optional, or is optional. Question number 9. Lena is 4 years older than her brother Sebastian. Sebastian is 3 years older than their sister Carmen. Carmen is 9 years younger than their brother Eduardo. If Eduardo is 22 years old, how old is Lena? All right, so Lena is 4 years older than her brother Sebastian. Lena is 4 years older than her brother Sebastian. Now I'm going to use a cursive L here because if I use just an L like that, it might look like a 1. Sebastian is 3 years older than their sister Carmen. So Sebastian equals 3 plus C. Carmen is 9 years younger than their brother Eduardo. So Carmen equals Eduardo minus 9. And Eduardo is 22 years old. So Eduardo equals 22. All right, so let's see what each person is going to equal here. Okay, so Eduardo we know is 22. Carmen is going to equal 22 subtract 9. And that would be 13. 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 22. So Carmen is 13 years old. So Sebastian equals 3 plus Carmen, which is 13. So Sebastian is 16 years old. And Lena equals 4 plus Sebastian. So Lena equals 20 years. 20 years. All right, number 10. Members of the basketball team sold raffle tickets to raise money for new equipment. The first 30 tickets sold for $5 each. To sell more tickets, the players lowered the price of each ticket to $3. If the team raised a total of $285, how many $3 tickets were sold? All right. So tickets 1 through 30 were sold for $5 each. So we're going to multiply 30 times 5, and that means that they raised that total cost was $150. Okay? Then they raised a total of $285. So we have $285 that they raised in all. Subtract the $150 that they got for these tickets. These are the $5 tickets. So that's 531. So that means the rest of the tickets were that were purchased, they got $135 for them. Now they were each $3. So we take 135 divided by 3, and we get 45 tickets. So they sold 45 tickets at $3 a piece for $135. They sold $150 worth of tickets. They were 30 tickets for $5 each, and that got them $150. Okay, and then they raised a total of $285. Now, one thing to point out as you're doing all of these problems is that you want to make sure that you are writing very neatly. Okay, the more organized your problems are, then the better chances it is that you will get the correct answer. So think nice, clear, neat, straight handwriting, and that will be your best friend in math. All right, good luck on your quiz.